Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are gonna be unboxing GoPro 13. I ordered it from Amazon. I find it more reliable. It cost me 39.8k. Early morning it was like 1.5k lesser, but I missed that deal. So let's look at the packaging. Okay, so you have a white cover and then you have a black case inside. I mean, it looks good. Packaging is overall good. And so this one, right, the bundle one, it comes with a hard case and then you have two batteries, handle and all that. If you go with just the GoPro one, do remember that you're not gonna get this hard case to carry the GoPro around. So let's look what we got inside. Oh, nice. So we have one GoPro handle. This is very lightweight, and I think it's gonna be good for the blogging purpose. You have this mounting thing where you can put it on the GoPro and then fix it on the handle. You get two batteries. I decided to go with this because I heard battery backup is not that good due to some heating issue anyway. So, and then here's the GoPro itself. What else we got? What is that? Okay, so we have a cable. Okay, it does not comes with a charger. It's a type C to type C cable. You need to put it in, and then you have a screw to fix the GoPro mount, and then you get this two thing which you can stick it on the helmet or somewhere to fix the GoPro on. Do we have anything else? Let's see what we got. Camera, and then all the mounting thing. You have a handle, two batteries, cable. That's pretty much it. Oh wait, we have a SD card as well. So this one comes with a 64GB SD card, which I don't think is enough. So I bought a 250GB SD card separately, but let's try to use this one first. And then you got some sticker, which I don't think is much of use. All right. So let's look at the camera. Let's take all these stickers out. All right. So size wise, I think it looks similar to GoPro 12 and 11. Only difference that I think I can find is on the front screen, right? The size is a bit bigger than now. The GoPro logo is covered in that as well, right? Let's among two options available, one was just the only GoPro, another was the bundle pack. I decided to go with the bundle pack because it had extra battery, and I saw that many overheating issue and battery backup issue as well. So because of that, and the price difference was just of 2000 rupees. So I decided to go with the bundle pack. I got, the case, extra battery, and all other accessories are not much of use because I'm gonna buy a tripod anyway. I'll use it for a week or two, and then I'm gonna make a detailed review video about it, how my experience has been so far. Alright, so let's try to turn it up. This guy, let's select the language, set up GPS, yes, voice control, yes. Okay, so I need to use the GoPro app to scan it and update it first. That's all for now. If this video was useful for you, please like the video and subscribe my channel, and I'm gonna be posting a detailed review as well. Thank you.